Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling a little sluggish, tired, or just off, today's video is for you. We're diving into how to naturally detox your body and feel better inside and out. Let's start with the basics. You've probably heard the term detox thrown around a lot, but what exactly does it mean? Detoxing is the process of helping your body rid itself of harmful substances or toxins that build up over time. These toxins can come from things like processed foods, pollution, chemicals in beauty products, and even stress. The idea behind detoxing is to give your body the support it needs to naturally eliminate these harmful substances and get back to feeling your best. Your body is constantly detoxing on its own. Your liver, kidneys, and skin all work tirelessly to filter and eliminate toxins. But sometimes we need a little extra help to boost these natural processes. So why should we bother detoxing? Well, here are a few key benefits you might experience. Increased energy. Detoxing can help clear out waste that might be dragging you down, leaving you with more energy to tackle your day. Clearer skin. Toxins can show up on your skin as breakouts or dullness, but a good detox can promote a glowing, healthy complexion. Improved digestion. When your body isn't bogged down by harmful substances, your digestion can function more smoothly, helping with bloating, constipation, and overall gut health. Mental clarity. A detox can even help clear your mind, reduce brain fog, and improve focus. And of course, a natural detox also supports your overall immune system, helping your body stay strong and resilient. Now let's get into the how. There are plenty of simple, natural ways to help your body detox, and I'm going to share some of my favorite tips. Water is absolutely essential for detoxing. It helps flush out toxins through your kidneys and skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and you can also add some lemon for extra benefits. Lemon has antioxidants and can help kickstart your liver's detoxing process. Next, focus on eating clean, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are full of antioxidants and fiber, which help your body eliminate waste and fight off free radicals. Herbal teas like dandelion root, ginger, and green tea are great for promoting liver health and digestion. These teas have natural detoxifying properties and are easy to incorporate into your day. But wait, did you know there are even more herbs that can support your body's natural detox process? These herbs are packed with nutrients that can help cleanse your liver, kidneys, skin, and digestive system. Here are some of the best herbs you can add to your detox routine. Dandelion root is one of the most popular herbs for detoxing. It's especially helpful for liver health, as it promotes bile production, which helps your body process fats and eliminate waste. It also acts as a mild diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out excess water and toxins. Milk thistle is another powerhouse herb for the liver. It contains an active compound called cilantro, which helps protect liver cells from damage and encourages the regeneration of new, healthy liver cells. If you're looking to support your liver during a detox, milk thistle is a great option. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that can help with digestion and reduce bloating. It stimulates circulation, which helps move toxins out of your system more efficiently. You can drink ginger tea or simply add fresh ginger to your smoothies or meals. Burdock root has traditionally been used to purify the blood and support the lymphatic system. It helps eliminate waste and toxins through the skin, so it's great for people with acne or other skin issues caused by toxin buildup. Turmeric is another great herb to include in your detox. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and supports liver detox. You can easily add turmeric to your smoothies, teas, or even make a turmeric latte. Last but not least, cilantro is an excellent herb for detoxing, particularly for heavy metals like mercury. It helps bind to these toxins and supports their removal from the body. Red clover is another detoxifying herb that is great for cleansing the blood. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties and supports liver function. Red clover also helps promote healthy circulation and can be especially useful for skin conditions like acne and eczema. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a powerful detox herb. Rich in chlorophyll, parsley supports kidney function and can help flush out waste. It also aids digestion and can be a natural diuretic to help your body release excess water. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a powerful adaptogenic herb that can help your body manage stress and improve overall detoxification. It supports liver health, reduces inflammation, and helps balance blood sugar levels, making it great for long-term detox support. Yellow dock is another herb known for its blood-purifying properties. It's particularly effective for promoting bile production, which aids in fat digestion and toxin elimination. It also helps stimulate the liver and digestive tract to remove waste more efficiently. Fennel is an amazing herb for digestion and detoxing, especially if you're dealing with bloating or sluggish digestion. It helps soothe the digestive system, reduces bloating, and promotes the elimination of toxins from the gut. Nettle leaf is a fantastic herb for detoxing, especially for cleansing the kidneys and urinary tract. It's a powerful diuretic that helps your body get rid of excess water and toxins, making it ideal for flushing out impurities. Cassandra berries are a unique detox herb often used in traditional Chinese medicine. They're known as the five-flavor fruit because they have a blend of sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and pungent tastes. Cassandra supports liver function and detoxification, helps boost energy levels, and improves skin health. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's also great for internal detoxing. Aloe vera helps soothe the digestive tract, improve gut health, and cleanse the body. It's great for hydrating and eliminating waste, especially if you're dealing with constipation. So there you have it, an entire herbal arsenal to help you on your detox journey. Whether you're sipping on a dandelion root tea or adding turmeric and ginger to your smoothies, these herbs can help support your body's natural cleansing process. Before I let you go, here are a few bonus tips for making your detox even more effective. Reduce processed foods, sugar, and alcohol during your detox. These things can slow down your body's natural detox process. Practice deep breathing or meditation to reduce stress. Less stress equals less toxin buildup in your body, and don't forget to move your body. Exercise will help get your blood flowing and make the detox process more efficient. And that's it. With these simple natural detox methods, plus the power of herbs, you can support your body's natural processes and feel more energized, clear-headed, and vibrant. Just remember, detoxing is about supporting your body, not punishing it with extreme cleanses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and share this with a friend who could use a little detox boost. See you in the next video.